it's Chantel with Tully's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. Sorry, this is take 2. We have had some technical difficulties. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Tully's Talkin' Chalk, VIP. You can also check out my Instagram and YouTube, and that is Tully's Talkin' Chalk as well. I also have a website for my finished pieces. That is tullystalkinchalk.ca. I'm sorry I'm doing this really fast because we have to get this done because we're about to have a thunderstorm and we might lose power. And that will not be nice. So, let me get in here and see if I can share this out. If you can do that as well, that would be awesome. You can't even find. All of a sudden, I can't find my own page. That's weird. Okay, here we go. So, hubby is running around making sure that we get this, get all the windows closed. Alright, so we are doing, if you didn't see before, we are doing You Are a Dream Come True. I'm going to push this down, make sure there's no bubbles, because if you leave bubbles, it will bleed, and we don't want that. That's pretty even. Is it though? No, it's not. We're going to try and do this as best we can. I did already fuzz it, so that's why I'm not doing that again. Fuzzing it is just putting the silk screen transfer on the back of something fuzzy so that it picks up lint. And actually, this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all the white really quick, and then I'm going to come back in and do the hearts in the red, and then we're just going to pull that all up. If you see this on a replay, hashtag replay and let me know when you've seen this. I like to know when other people see it. If you're live with me, say hello. I love being able to chit chat with my followers, whether they're with me live or after the fact. I will answer you if you are on my replays, so please come chat with us. Let me know what you like about this. Let me know what your favorite colors are to decorate with. Yes, and if you're anywhere where there's hurricanes or tornadoes or any crazy phenomenons going on, please let me know that you're safe. Let me know, because I know as much as my husband was just joking, a couple of friends have been in the hurricane places, and that gets scary, so please let me know that you're okay. I'm going to do these hearts up. I'm glad this is in the right place, because honestly, I didn't even look. Which is bad in me, but I actually didn't. I just kind of placed it down where I thought it was last time and kept it going. So we're just putting it down, taking up all the excess, and keep in mind these are reusable 8 to 12 times, these silk screen transfers, and the colors are awesome. They last forever. Some of my pastes I have had since I started, and that was 2.5 years ago. Now, mind you, they have updated the pastes so they work better, but I still use my old paste. So that is what we've done here. Now I'm just going to pull it up and reveal what we've got. And we can use multiple designs on here, so if you really wanted to fill up the outside parts that I haven't touched yet, you really could. I'm not going to just tonight because of our weather, but maybe tomorrow I'll come back and we can add more stuff to this. If you know what I have, if you have seen what I've had in previous videos, you can suggest that, or if you don't know what I have, just ask and I will let you know. This is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed what you have seen. If you have, please give me a thumbs up or love, heart, anything like that, and show me out to your friends. If you would like to join, #join, and if you would like any info on Chalk Couture, #chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, #club in the comments. That is our subscription box. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.